Hello students. So in this video we are going to learn the structure of excretory system. You are aware of the excretory system. Excretory system is a system which is made to eliminate the waste product that is nitrogenous waste which is present in our body, and it has to get expelled out. To expel out this nitrogenous waste, you should know the structure of excretory system. So let me pass on and know something more about the structure of the excretory system. This system consists of specialized structure and capillary networks that assist in the excretory processes. So everybody know that human excretory system consists of pair of kidney, a pair of ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. So the human excretory system includes all these parts, and it includes the kidney, and the functional unit of the kidney is known as nephron. The excretory activity of the kidney is changed by specialized hormone that regulate the amount of absorption within the nephron. So my dear students, if you look at the picture which I have given you in the video, the excretory system consists of kidney, specialized excretory organ called kidney, and its functional unit is termed as nephron. So this will give you a brief idea, like it has a kidney consists of, and it leads to ureters, meatus, urethra, then comes to urinary bladder. Now coming to the main structure, that is kidney, let me see where it is located, what is the shape and how it works. Kidney is located both sides of spine between thoracic and lumbar vertebrae. So my dear students, a pair of kidneys are located in the abdominal region. We usually call they are located in the abdominal region. If I tell you in detail, it is located both the side of the spine, okay, between the thoracic and lumbar vertebrae. We have got a vertebral column, so it is located in between the thoracic and lumbar vertebrae. So kidneys are present on either side of the backbone. They are bean shaped. The shape of our kidney is bean shaped. Fine. The blood enters the kidney through renal arteries and leaves through the renal vein. So I'll be showing you where is the renal artery and renal vein now. So before that, just have a look on this picture where the kidneys are located. So they are bean shaped structure situated between the thoracic and lumbar vertebrae, or you can say in the abdominal cavity. Fine. So the blood is going to enter through where? Renal artery. This may be a multiple choice question for you. So it is going to enter through the renal artery and it is going to come out through the renal vein. So please do remember both the things, from where blood is going to enter and from where the blood is going to leave. Tubes called ureter carry waste product from the kidney to the urinary bladder for storage or for release. So whatever waste, as I said, nitrogenous waste in the form of urine. So different animals are there which already you have seen, that is uricotalic, ammonotalic and ureotalic animals. So we belongs to ureotalic animals. The nitrogenous waste are in the form of urine and urea. So my dear student, it has to the urine, whatever is being whatever has to be get eliminated, it will enter through the tubes. The names of the tubes here are ureters. The ureter carry the waste from the kidney and it stores into the urinary bladder, and it may store for certain time, and as it get filled up, it is going to release it through the urethra. Fine. So during urination, urine is expelled from the urinary bladder through the urethra. So the urinary bladder is pear shaped. It is muscular in nature. We call it as a reservoir of urine, opens into the urethra. So have a look on the next one. So you can see the clear picture of a kidney, dissected kidney, you can have a look. So the flow of urine I have given you in a simple way. See, these are all the things you are going to learn it in detail. That is glomerular filtration, tubular filtration, reabsorption and all we are going to study in detail. Today's session will be learning out what is the structure of a kidney. So have a look on the dissected part of your kidney, my dear kids. It is a bean shape located in the abdominal cavity. There is a notch on the inner concave side. We call it as hilum. Fine. There is a notch. You can look at the notch, a groove-like structure which we call it as hilum. Fine. And there is a renal artery which is being colored in red, and there is a renal vein which is being colored in the blue. So from where the blood is going to enter, I hope it is clear, and from where the blood is going to relieve from the body, you have to make sure the renal artery and renal vein. And you can have a look on ureter, renal medulla, renal capsule and renal cortex. These are in detail you are going to study in the proceeding session. Now coming to the next one. As I said, we have a kidney, and kidneys are always in pair. We have got pair of kidneys in our body situated in the abdominal cavity. So kidney filter about 1700 liters of the blood daily in an average adult. This is a knowledge based question, and you can make a note of this. This may fall in multiple choice question. So per day an average person can filter round about 1700 liters of the blood, and from that you are going to expel out the urine as an excretory byproduct. So the pair of the kidney, as I said, it has got two parts, inner medulla and outer cortex. Have a look on the structure of the kidney. The main purpose of today's video is to show you the parts or the structure of a kidney. I am not going to go in detail. In the next session we can study. So the kidney is divided into outer cortex and inner medulla. As I said, it has got a notch like structure, notch on the inner concave side. Have a look, that's called hilum. So the cortex is said to be the outer protective portion, medulla is said to be the inner soft portion, and hilum, it is a notch or a depression located in the middle of concave side of kidney where blood vessels, nerves and the ureters enter and exit the kidney. So you have to remember this notch. It's very important. From here itself the vessels are going to enter, nerves are going to enter, and ureter are going to carry out the urine, and the renal arteries and renal vein is going to get situated on the same region. So the cortex is where the blood is filtered. See my dear students, please do remember. This may be another question for multiple choice. Where do blood get filtered? So in the outermost region of your kidney, the cortex, where the blood is filtered. Now coming to the medulla. Medulla contains the collecting ducts. See, as it is getting filtered, somebody should have get the filtered blood, no? So the medulla, which is the innermost region, which is a soft in texture. So the medulla contains the collecting duct which carry filtrate to the pelvis. The pelvis is a hollow cavity where urine accumulates and drains out into ureter. As I said you, ureter are the tubes which are going to carry the urine. So before reaching to the ureter, the pelvis, there is a part of the kidney, we call it as pelvis, which is a hollow cavity where the urine get accumulated, and from there it can drain out, यानी कि बाहर निकलता है. So now, as I said, nephrons are said to be the structural and functional unit of kidney. Let me tell you about this, then we'll go in detail in the next session. The functional unit of the kidney are called nephrons. Nephrons are located in the renal cortex except for their loop of Henle, leaving the loop of Henle, which descend into the renal medulla. As I said, our kidney has got two parts, cortex and medulla. So nephrons are located in the cortical region, but some of the part called loop of Henle is going to enter into the medulla region also. So my dear students, urinary, the pair of kidney, then a pair of ureters are there, and urinary bladder and urethra from where the urine is going to come out. So the main purpose of the kidney is to remove waste like urea, uric acid from the blood. Filtration is going to occur in the kidney. So the basic filtration unit is nephron. Thank you. We'll continue our discussion on kidney in the next session. Thank you very much.